delicious. This is not just a soup. This is Rina's invention soup. More sweet potato for today's video. Sweet potato is peeled. Now let me just cut it into small pieces so that it will be quick to cook. Let me just cut it in half. Got it. And cut it again into strips. Red lentil and sweet potato soup for today's recipe. Mushroom broth or any vegetable broth. Add red lentils into broth. These red lentils are already been washed but not soaked. If red lentils are not available, you can use mung beans. Mung beans and sweet potatoes complement each other. Sweet potato. Here's the spring onion or green onion and garlic. Put the cover back, lower the heat, medium. Turmeric powder, sometimes I call it turmeric. Chilli powder. Machine does it better all the time. Fresh spinach, walnuts, olive oil, garlic,